came straight out of the filter. That's absolutely disgusting. Because as you can see, look at this intake. This is super dirty, super dry. It looks like we have to re-oil this. So this is what the PRL short ram air intake looks like at the moment. As you can see, it's very dull and it's white in color. It looks very dry, and it's been on the car for about 1.5 years now, and it's super dirty. Before, this was actually red. Now it's like a dry white color. So I went ahead and took this off the car. Basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this filter off itself by using a flathead screwdriver. We can still see through it, which is a good sign that it's still kind of clean. But look at my hand right here. As you can see, it is kind of dirty now that I've been touching this filter. So the reason why it's important to clean your air filter, or make sure that your air filter is clean, is because this is the air that's coming into your engine. So with dirty air, your engine is not gonna work as efficiently, meaning you're gonna lose some power and you're gonna lose some miles per gallon. You're basically throwing money out the door. With a cleaner air filter, your engine will run more sufficient, it'll breathe better, and it'll sound better because more air is coming into the engine, and you're gonna get more performance and more miles per gallon. So that's why it's important to clean this. So we're gonna go ahead and clean the air filter using the K&N recharger kit. There's like 3 different languages on this box, so this is a universal item. Right out of the box, we get the air filter cleaner. This is what we're gonna spray onto the air filter. And then this right here is the air filter oil. I know it says K&N, and the filter that I have is a PRL, but it's fine. It's basically just re-oiling this. But yeah, you should be good. Before we apply any cleaner or any chemicals, make sure to use gloves, guys, because you don't know what these chemicals can do to your skin. It may not have any effects now, but in the future, you might experience super dry skin like what I've been experiencing. I've learned my lesson in the past. I haven't been using gloves. Oil changes, washing cars, pretty much everything that I do in the car, I never wear gloves. And now I'm paying the price because my hands are super dry and they're not as, good looking as before. Don't be like me, guys. If you want to avoid my mistake, wear some gloves. We're gonna take our filter. This black bottle right here is the cleaner, all right? So we're gonna soak this inside and out. Let's do that. Okay, we're gonna start, I'm gonna start cleaning it from the inside, and then I'm gonna work my way towards the outside. You kind of see just how dirty this is. This is disgusting. Disgustingly dirty. So we're just gonna let this soak for 10 minutes, and then after that we're gonna rinse it off, and then we're gonna wait for this to dry so that we can re-oil it. But for now I'm gonna keep on spraying because this thing's super dirty. Alright, so I have a clear container. This is very clean. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour some of this dirty water that came from the filter in here, just so that I can show you guys how dirty this filter is. Look at that. That came straight out of the filter. That is absolutely disgusting. Wow. That is disgusting. And that's what's going inside of your engine. So it's been about 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and do this right here. Next, I'm gonna rinse this off, and then I'm also gonna grab a brush and start scrubbing, just so that I can make sure that I get all the dirt and dust off of this filter. Okay, so once we're done rinsing off the cleaner, it says to allow filter to dry naturally. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna let it sit here with the PRL logo facing up. That way, if there's any water, then it could just drip down. Okay, so we let the filter dry. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the red cap application. So this is the oil that you're going to be spraying onto the filter. So we're just going to do a quick spray around the filter, and then we're going to wait 20 minutes for the oil to set. If you see any light red spots, then you're just going to spray it again with the oil. You don't want to add too much oil. Alright, so I'm going to hold it right here from the top, and I'm just going to spray it lightly, nice and even sprays. There you go. Just gonna wait 20 minutes. I forgot to wear gloves, so now the oil's on my skin, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands now. Here is the final result, and as you can see, you can clearly see through the filter, even on this side. Look at that. Amazing. And it is now, it's like a pinkish kind of reddish color now, unlike before where this was like a grayish white color. So huge difference compared to what it was before we cleaned it. So I'm gonna go ahead, take off the K&N filter because I did switch out while I was cleaning this. I did switch it out for the drop-in K&N filter, which did give me a little bit of whoosh, but not as much whoosh as this PRL. I'm really impressed with this because this is back to, you know, its normal color, pinkish reddish, compared to the white color that it used to have. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. Comment down below what you guys think of this video. And if you want to see more 10th Gen Honda Civic videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, because I do make 10th Gen Honda Civic content every week. Also, if you're interested in this product or any of the last fit products, I'll be linking it down below in the description. I'll use my code CTFK7 for 10% off. Again, thank you guys for watching. This is Time FK7, and peace out.